9.2 volts. Alternator's gone out. Now I'm just waiting on a road repair here on the ramp in Alabama. Another day trucking. Lovely. No air. It's 89 degrees. It did say 92 a minute ago, but it did get cloudy. Got both doors open. Get a cross freeze going here. But got no AC, no blower. So just waiting on a truck to get here with another alternator. So yeah, hopefully it won't be too long. So that breeze does feel good though. Got the sleeper door open too, so the wife can get some rest, get a breeze across her. So hopefully it doesn't rain too hard. I can keep the doors open. So all right, y'all have a good Friday. Of course, it would happen to me on a Friday, but oh well, like I said, just started trucking. 30 years out here. Done a lot of this sitting, waiting on road repair. At least the company I'm with does pay you. You know, while you're sitting. A lot of companies won't. I've been with some that been sitting for days, and all you can get is their apologies. You know, waiting on their truck to be fixed. So. But I guess if you do decide to get in a truck, and make sure that's one thing your company will pay you to, if you have to sit with their truck to get it fixed. It'd be different if I owned this truck. It's not my truck. But yeah, this company I'm with now, they pay us. So that's good. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you are thinking about truck driving. One of your questions should be, do I get paid if your truck breaks down? So, and if there's a 24-hour layover, do I get paid for that too? And will you pay for a hotel room? You know, a lot of companies won't. This one will pay you if you have to get a hotel. They'll pay for your room, and they will pay you layover. I forget the rate for the layover. I think it's $150 a day, which we've never had a problem like that here. It's usually resolved within 2 to 3 hours. You know, we're rolling again. They're real good about getting road repair out to you. So you get a mechanic out. So this guy today, he's got to come 30 minutes from me. He called me, wants to make sure he brings the right alternator. Had me give him the numbers off of it so he didn't have to make another trip. You know. So, but anyway, just keep that in mind if you are. Or if you are working for a trucking company that doesn't pay you, I think it's time to leave, you know, that company, if I were you. So, anyway, hopefully they get out here soon and we can get our Friday done with and get to the weekend. Y'all have a good Friday.